Hi, my name's James Halgrove. My job title around here is the CNC lathe operator. I've been at AW Fraser now for coming on pretty much exactly 18 years. So my responsibilities around here is to supply the foundry with the carbon graphite dies. We start from a block of carbon like this. We jump over here and we chop the material to the specific size that we need. I go to the machine over here. After I've cut the material, I make the actual die bodies in here, say for example this one here, and over this machine here I prefer to use this one to make the pins. So the pins get slotted into there, and in the end, for example, but as you can see, that's the pin and this is the die. So that gives the size of the actual bar and the size of the hole inside that bar, which gets externally extruded from the foundry department. So basically, if there's no dies, there's no work. Right. So there is a bit of pressure on me sometimes. Yeah. This is the starter bar. So at the moment, I need to close that gap to make sure that the pin fits in there, not too tight and not too loose. Smidgen more. And here we go. Marvellous. That's a nice snug fit. And this is in a die cooler. That die cooler is actually solidifying the metal as it comes out. It's just continuously coming out, and then you just chop the bar to whatever length you want. It's going non-stop, like flowing through here. Right. So I'll say, right, action!
Action!